That was my second approach. I decided to get back to Mobica. I know these people. I knew the way we are working here. People want to try something new as well, right? So they are going to the company, they are checking that Mobica is better, and deciding to come back.
In our competency center for web and mobile, we work with all major technologies that you can find on the market, which is .NET, Java, front-end technology, including, for example, Angular and React frameworks. We also have a mobile department.
We are such lucky, so we can work on the R&D side. So on the R&D side, there is always new technologies, you develop new things, discover new approaches to create a good software. And actually we are developing alternative for the TV platform of the client. Phones client, so all application on the phones, web browser application and TV application, etc.
We provide services for the most innovative companies in the market. Concentrate not only on the front-end or mobile part of the project, but we also concentrate heavily on back-end stuff that we have in almost every project. Currently, we have about 120 engineers on the board. However, the number is constantly growing.
Over 50 engineers. We are divided in some agile team, and we use the SAFe methodology to synchronize all the agile teams. We don't force people to work from the office or from home. In case someone needs to meet in person, we are getting together in the office, or just those persons who are interested in this meeting go to the office and discuss things what they wanted to discuss. But we are really flexible in this area.
We can consider Mobica as a quite big company. However, we have atmosphere more like in startups. We concentrate on creating an environment for everyone who can grow with us. You can try to work with new clients, with new sectors, and it produces a limitless opportunity for your career. Inside our competency center is the project for one of the biggest social platforms in the world. We are trying to change the world we live in and to change the way how we see the world.
During the pandemic period, it was not possible to get together because we are located in 4 different countries. The R&D center is in Tel Aviv. We have some offices in France, in Romania, and some offices in Poland. But it is nice when we can meet together, discuss that, and actually visit countries of our colleagues from other teams.
What I like in Mobica is the atmosphere of being a part of a huge family where you can influence somehow the organization. You are recording, oh my god, I didn't know.